Motion and time. Activity. Time ticker. Objective. To calculate the time period of a simple pendulum. Theory. A simple pendulum consists of a small metallic ball or a piece of stone suspended from a rigid stand by a thread. The metallic ball is called the bob of the pendulum. The pendulum completes one oscillation when the bob moves from one extreme position to the other and reaches back to the same extreme position. The time taken by pendulum to complete one oscillation is called its time period. Did you know? The Italian scientist Galileo first noted the constancy of a pendulum's period by comparing the movement of a swinging lamp in a Pisa cathedral with his pulse rate. A metronome is a type of pendulum used to keep time in music. Learning outcomes. Students will be able to 1. Define a simple pendulum and its time period. 2. Apply the formula of time period. Materials required. 1. A 1 meter long thread or string. 2. A small metallic ball or a piece of stone. 3. A stopwatch or a table clock. 4. A clamp stand. Procedure. 1. Tie a small metallic ball, known as bob, with one end of 1 meter long thread. 2. Fix the other end of the thread on a clamp stand such that the thread with the bob hangs vertically from it. 3. Move the bob slightly to one side of the mean position, center position. 4. Now, release the bob from its extreme position and simultaneously turn on the stopwatch. 5. Count 20 oscillations of the bob about its mean position and after completing 20 oscillations turn off the stopwatch at the moment the bob reaches back to the same extreme position from where you released it. 6. Measure the time taken by the bob to complete 20 oscillations and record this time in an observation table. 7. Divide this time by 20 to calculate the time period of given pendulum. 8. Repeat steps 3 to 7 and take few more readings of time period. Observation. Length of the thread equals 100 centimeters. Result. The time period of simple pendulum, T, is found to be. Precaution. 1. The thread attached to the bob should be taut when we displace the bob from its mean position. 2. The bob should not be pushed when it is released from its extreme position. Sorting queries.
Ma'am, if we use a small thread in simple pendulum, how its time period will be affected?
Time period of a simple pendulum is directly proportional to the square root of its length. So, if we use a small thread to make simple pendulum then its time period will decrease.
Ma'am, then please tell what should be the length and time period of the pendulum used in pendulum clock?
A long thread of 100 centimeters length is used in pendulum clocks and its time period is about 2 seconds. We hope you liked this activity. Happy learning!